Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Pelvis Bresley. 10 o'clock high. Been working steadily, beavering away with my special efforts, putting together the Ford F-150 Super Bowl commercial. And I am just about to release it to Lander right now. And the way they've been working, this is going to be ready for Super Bowl Sunday. All right. So this time I hit my goal. I pretty much got everything that I wanted into the track. This is some silly ass bullshit. It got me to my 85% level where I'm pretty much 85% happy with the whole thing. So that means I'm shipping it out and I'm done and I'm moving on to the next thing. And I'm kind of tired of thinking about this song and hearing it so many times. But that is also part of the joy of this whole process. And thanks again for watching along the process with me. And I will have this up on the YouTube page as soon as it is out, and I'll have the video out a few days later. All right? Thanks for watching, and the name of the new song is going to be Heavy Duty Pickup Truck Commercial. All right? Heavy Duty Pickup Truck Commercial coming your way real soon. Thanks for watching. 10 o'clock.